Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will divide both sides by this one. S ds will go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And this one, we have 2u du. This one, we have 2y dy. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. Number 2 and number 2, we simplify for the both sides. The square root we change by u, y dy we change by this one. And now we just have the integral of the u because we simplify u and u in here. About u, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. So we have 1 divided by s, s divided by s. The integral of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s. Number 1, that is about s, and I will and I don't need to put about sin here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.